Like a fool, I went and stayed too long. Now I wonder if your love's still strong. Ooh, baby, here I am, signed, sealed, delivered, I'm yours, yeah. And that time I went and said goodbye. Now I'm back and not ashamed to cry. Ooh, baby, here I am, signed, sealed, delivered, I'm yours. Say, here I am, baby, on signed, sealed, delivered, I'm yours. Here I am, say, here I am, baby, say, signed, sealed, delivered, I'm yours. Here I am, say, ain't a lot of things in this whole world. When I tell to make it nothing, girl, you, baby, on sign, still deliver, yeah.
You say something good, boy, I say something better. I'm never out of style, always in high fashion. Suckers It's suckers I'm crashing. Based on documentary, the straight up truth is a definite must that I get loose. Cause if I don't, the people start shouting. My style on the mic to be deaf without shouting. Let my rhymes flow smooth like water in the lake and let the people stay jumping cause they can't wait to hear what I say next. I'm a written text. I never make mistakes, always come correct cause I'm highly regarded. Once I get started, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, kiss retarded. Got a gangster limp, but I'm not no pimp. I draw attention like the Goodyear blimp. They said it can't be done, but I came to show it. Who said you can't be fly and also a poet? To be taken out, I'll be damned. So grab your pen and pad and listen to the man. So grab your pen and pad and listen to the man. Who's in session? Time for a lesson on how to grab the mic, rock and no fessing. Messing around for kids, I ain't with that. You ain't ready, drop the mic before you get slapped, son. Cause I'm number one. I'm on the mic, you're on the run. I'm the night stalker, so won't you take a walker? You got some good schooling, I'm the one who taught ya. You're trying to front like you is the baddest. Girls chuckle and giggle, cause you a faggot. You wonder why they're waiting for me to burn your monkey ass right into debris. Cause you see, I'm the one I pick. Down with my man Kevin KEV. So stay in school, you ain't ready yet to get on stage and make sure that you get applause from the crowd. Ha ha, it's funny. Give me the mic, boy, or should I call you Sonny? Cause you is my son, so call me your father. In fact, don't even bother, cause we ain't related. It's clearly stated. I'm funky fresh, you ain't even rated. You ain't down with this plan, get serious and listen to the man. Get serious and listen to the man.
Now you know this just don't make no kind of sense. Walking around here is so intense. You make my heartbeat, you make me feel so weak. Moving all around, from my head to the ground. You make my heartbeat, you make me feel so weak. 'Cause everything you said went right straight to my head. There's nothing I won't do, anything you